Aftershock. Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Danielle. For those of you who do not know me, hi, welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by today. Today I'm doing my 3 looks, 1 palette with the Bad Habit Aftershock palette. I decided to do the idea that we kind of discussed in one of my videos, and I went row by row by row and created each of the looks that are going to be in this video today. I am super excited to do this for you guys. I have been pretty impressed with this palette. Well, if you want to see the 3 looks I come up with, then just continue watching. Well, here I am finally doing my 3 looks 1 palette with the Aftershock palette. This is the Sensation shade that I'm putting into my crease. You guys, tell me to liven up in these videos. Sheesh. I'm so serious when I do these. Then I'm going to go into Light Show. And I zoomed in here and kind of slowed it down because I wanted to show you guys how I do a halo eye, or how I start a halo eye. Kind of feel like I do it a little bit differently than some people, but I don't know. But seriously, smile, Danielle. Gosh. I am really, when I make these videos, I am concentrating so much to get the look to look the way I want it to. I forget that my facial expressions just don't make me look like the friendliest of people. Oh well. Now I'm doing the other eye, and I'm just going to do that quickly. I go in, I go back and forth, and I kind of fix both eyes. I get it exactly where I want it to be with that shade. And then I go back in with Sensation. Now I'm going in with BPM. This is the purple shade in the palette, and I'm putting that right in the middle of the halo eye. I like that it's kind of a blue-purple halo eye. Then I go in with my Pretty Vulgar eyeliner, and we're just going to do a line across my eye today. Now I'm taking my 2 favorite mascaras, my Maybelline The Colossal Volume Express and my Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara, and I use those in combination with each other. Then I'm going in with my Kokie Professionals Velvet Smooth Eyeliner in navy, deep navy, sorry, and I'm just going to line my entire lower waterline. Then I take the shade BPM and I run that underneath on my lower lash line. Now we're going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss in Orchid. I love these lip glosses. I don't know what it is. I love them. On to look number 2. We're going with the second row. Oh yeah, the second row. And now we're going to go in with the shade Electronica. And I'm putting that above my crease, in my crease, all over the place. It's a statement color, that yellow. Although I will say this, it does not look that green in person. Then I'm going to go with Chaser, and I'm going to work this in the outer V and slightly into my crease. And this is a process. It's a building process with this shade. I love this shade though. I don't know what it is with me, yellow, orange, blue, or green. Those looks are my signature. I do them all the time. Ask my friends. They see it constantly. Then I'm going to go in with the shade Drop. I start off with a brush, but I do go to using my finger just because I feel like it helps blend the shades together instead of it just having that harsh edge, just because, I mean, I can't really control where my finger goes sometimes on my eye. It just kind of happens, becomes overwhelming. Then again, I'm going in with my Pretty Vulgar gel eyeliner. You guys know I love this stuff. And now, just so you know, we're going to do very dramatic and very wonky wings. Because I swear, my eyes are competing to see which one can mess me up more when I do my eyeliner. When will I learn? I don't know. I mean, it didn't look that bad in person, or I didn't think, and then when I go and I watch this video back, I'm like, wonky wings. Next, I'm going in with a pigment from Enchanted Luster Cosmetics. This is one of their duochrome kind of shades, and I'm putting that in my inner corner as well as my brow bone. Then I'm taking the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Perversion, and I'm only doing about halfway across my lower lash line with this. Then I'm going to take the Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara and put that all over my lashes. Then I go in with Chaser and I run that underneath on my lower lash line. Then I go in with the Bobbi Brown Luxe Lip Color in Flame. I love this shade. Like, love it, you guys. You don't even know how much I love it. And now it is look number 3. Oh yeah, I get it, Danielle. What am I gonna do? What am I going to do? Oh yeah, that's right. I take the shade Tingle and I just put that all over my crease, all over it. All over! And above, you know. Yeah, this is gonna get sloppy because I'm not too worried where I put this shade. You guys are gonna see why in a minute. Then I go into Surge, which to me is just a deeper pink, kind of a reddy pink, but deeper pink. And I'm putting that on sloppily, because then I'm going to blend it out with the same brush I used Tingle on. I just wanted my crease to be a different color. Then I go back in with Tingle, and I put that all over my lid. Now we're going to go in with Plur and my Medusa's Makeup Eyeliner Seal. So I'm going to turn this into my own eyeliner. And now we're putting it on, and the thing with this is it doesn't quite look the exact same. So I do go in a little bit and use some of the dry pigment and put that on top of the wing just because I wanted it to show a little more. So here I am doing just that. Then I'm going to take my Wander Beauty Unlash Volume and Curl Mascara. I sound like an ad for that mascara. You guys just know I like it, okay? Then I'm going to go in with Plural. I don't know what that shade is. And then I'm just doing about 3/4 of the way on my lower lash line with this shade. Now I'm going to go in with my Makeup Forever Artist Rouge Cream Lipstick in C211. I really like this shade too. Thank you guys so much for watching each one of these 3 looks. I do hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that it sparked your creativity. I had a lot of fun creating each of these looks. And yeah, I'm hoping in the future to create some more looks with the Bad Habit Aftershock palette. I will say this, I do quite like this palette. I'm very impressed with it. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. That does mean so much to me. I am hoping to hit 1,000 subscribers by my birthday. My birthday is October 8th. We have a little bit over a month, about a month and a half before that is. So if you guys wouldn't mind helping me, that would be amazing. Well, thank you guys again. I do hope that you have a wonderful day, night, wherever you are, and bye!